Hi, I am Mark and I would like to present you my flight with Killer Rail. And this is my first experience with flight controller Matek and Inav in general. So the model is Killer Rail, flight controller is Matek F405 Wing, and software on the flight controller is Inav Matek 405 SE 3.0.2. And I have problem, like you can see on the movie, with GPS losses. In this 7.5 minutes flight time, I had many GPS losses. I count even 10. So this is not very usual, I think. Total is over 80 seconds of flight time without GPS. What is curious about is that during GPS loss I have a heading displayed, and cables from the GPS are not SDA and SCR are not connected to the board, so I shouldn't have my direction, but I have during this GPS losses. GPS is BN880 with compass, but compass is not connected. So if you have any idea how can I fix this GPS losses, I would be really grateful. So write in the comment if you have some advices for me how to fix this. Full specification of my equipment is listed below in the description, so feel free to write it. Thanks.